Hello and welcome to Logic ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will learn how to set up the user-wise backdate entry and modification locking in Logic ERP. Let's get started. Head to the User Access module and open the Set User-wise Backdate Entry Modification Locking. Here you will find the list of users along with their setting status for backdate entry and modification locking. As you can see, each user currently has the setting status as not defined, meaning no specific backdate entry or modification restrictions have been applied yet. Let's define the setting for the billing user 1. Simply press spacebar on the setting column. This will open the setback date entry modification locking schedule window, where list of documents are available for which you can define lock conditions. Let's define the lock setting for the sale document. Select the sale document from the list. Right-click on the selected document to open the Options menu and select Settings. Alternatively, you can open the settings directly by pressing the F3 key. This will open the Lock for Backdate entry window, where multiple options are available to define the lock criteria. Now, let's implement the Fixed Days lock. This setting ensures that the selected user will not be able to edit any bills or create backdated bills for days 1, 2, and 3 of every month. After defining the settings, click Save to apply the changes. Now, let's log in using the same user for whom the lock setting has been defined. Now, let's navigate to the Sale Bill window and attempt to modify a bill that falls within the locked period. Let's modify this bill. Upon saving the changes, the software automatically restricts the action and displays an error message indicating that entry modification is locked for this period. Now, let's also initiate a new transaction with a backdate falling within the locked period. As observed, the software also restricts the saving of any new transaction with a backdate that falls within the locked period for the respective user.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.